it's Dr. Amanda with Straightsmile Solutions, straightsmilesolutions.com. Let's talk about warranty fit for Invisalign IPE. I'm not talking about warranty fit for Invisalign. And I'm not 100% sure that I'm telling you to do this correctly. This is based on the best I can understand from some screenshots from the Clincheck. So again, as always, these screenshots are not my property. These are the property of Align Technology, but because they don't really have this information out there, no one can seem to figure it out. So they're contacting me and asking me to make a video. How do we submit a warranty fit for Invisalign IPE? Totally different than Invisalign. So remember, IPE does not have a Clin Check in air quotes. So there's nothing to review. So you just need to decide what the situation is. So this is the headline under the IPE, assuming you're in the IPE Clincheck, not the regular aligner Clincheck. If you need additional more, as in like you ran out and you need more, that's that. Holders are the thicker versions that are worn after you finish the expansion. It's like a retainer. So I don't have an example of a holder, but I'm assuming they're thicker. So if you need those, you order those. If you need more of those, you order those. If you need replacement IPEs, you order this. So this is like a refinement, okay? But they don't have an area to add a new scan, which is a little strange. So I wasn't quite sure, because I'm assuming you need a new scan, right? Especially if you already have the attachments on. So this video was, hey, we managed to put the attachments on, not a problem. The darn IPE wouldn't clip in. Maybe the attachments got bumped or something. You know, what do? They didn't want to take the attachments off because it was such a hassle putting them on. Sometimes it's drama, especially if it's a young patient. You don't want to put them back on. You just want to have them fit over that. So we went ahead and we went through this. You know, is it upper? Yes. Which ones do we need? Why we need them? And then boom, they're already manufacturing them. I thought there would be a link for a scan like there is, you know, in a regular Invisalign, but there's not. So that was a little weird. So we had to call and give the link to the scan. But anyways, maybe this is something they're still working on. If you guys know another workflow, I'd be interested to know, and I can always remake this. All right, thanks so much.